In just an hour from now at 7 p.m., 13 farm union representatives are all set to meet Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss their demands. This comes ahead of the Centre Farmer talks that are all set to take place again tomorrow. But remember, this is also coming on the day when Bharat Bandh was witnessed with very limited success, even as many opposition parties had lent their support to the Bharat Bandh call. Apart from a few protests by opposition parties in various states, there was not much impact as markets remained open. We'll let you first hear in from what the farmers' representatives are saying on their meeting with Amit Shah today. In an hour's time, could there be a breakthrough in sight?
वो हो गया। अब होम मिनिस्टर से मीटिंग है अभी 7 बजे। होम मिनिस्टर से मीटिंग है, वहाँ पर जा रहे हैं उधर।
और उसके क्या सिंगू बॉर्डर भी जाना है उसके बाद?
वहाँ पे यहाँ पे सिंगू बॉर्डर जाएंगे, वहाँ से सब लोग होम मिनिस्टर से मीटिंग है, वहाँ पर जाएंगे।
आज भारत बंद का जो
हाँ, अच्छा रहा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया रहा। सबका धन्यवाद, जो जिसने भी इसमें शामिल हुए सबका धन्यवाद है।
My colleague Anuj is joining us from outside Amit Shah's residence. Anuj, this is going to be an important meeting. Amit Shah, the Home Minister himself, is going to be meeting as many as 13 farmer union representatives. Overall, what we've seen is that there is dissonance between the farmer unions. There are over 500 such unions. Not all of them are speaking in one voice, even though most of them agree that they want the farm laws to be repealed. What more are you learning as far as this meeting is concerned?
Well, an hour from now, this is just for an hour from now when the farmers' leaders will be here at Amit Shah's residence, where I am reporting from. Behind me is Amit Shah's residence, the Home Minister's residence. Let me tell you that we also had word with Rakesh Tikait when he went to Singhu border and had a meeting with the other farmers who are protesting there at the Singhu border. If we talk about today, then this was Bharat Bandh, which was called by the farmers. But what exactly was seen on the ground level, the picture was very much different. This was with the impact of Bharat Bandh was very much limited. On the other hand, let me tell you, as this is going to be today, the scheduled meeting is for today, which is going to be with the farmers leaders and the Government of India representative, that's the ministers of Government of India. But prior to that, today after Bharat Bandh, this is the farmers leader who has been called by none other but the Home Minister himself, that's Amit Shah. And an hour from now at 7 p.m. what we have been told, 13 members of the farmer leaders, the delegation of 13 members will be meeting Amit Shah there at his residence. So they will be discussing about the pros and cons and the terms and conditions. Because earlier also we have seen several meetings have been conducted. There were meeting at Vigyan Bhavan when the Government of India ministers was there interacting with the farmers, but things were not settled down. Today Bharat Bandh was called, but the impact was not that much high. So this could be the reason that farmers are also understanding the situation on the ground level, that what exactly the impact is. On the other hand, let me also tell you that the Government of India continuously saying being it Narendra Singh Tomar, the Agriculture Minister, and the other Minister of the Government of India, that we are ready to talk with the farmers, we are ready to settle down the issue. So this particular agitation should be stopped now. On the other hand, we also have to keep in mind the politics that has been done in on this very agitation. We are seeing how the opposition party is also trying to cash in the opportunity, as we have seen today in the different states. This was the political parties, the opposition parties who were doing protests at the different level, at the different areas. On the other hand, this was none other than the Chief Minister of Delhi yesterday, who visited to the Sindhu border, which exactly is the epicenter of the farmer protest. So this particular meeting, which is scheduled at 7 p.m. today, is going to be very, very important at Amit Shah's residence. I'll ask my video journalist to give you a sense of the security and arrangement also, which has been already done before the farmer leaders reach here. So at this point in time, it could be clearly seen that the preparation is already done, and this is going to be 13 members, 13 farmer delegation of 13 members of the farmer leader who will be reaching here and will be interacting with Amit Shah and will be discussing about the pros and cons, discussing about the current situation, because continuously this has been said by the government and the ministers of the government that they are ready to settle on the issue, they are ready to talk, but farmers need to stop this agitation and need to talk.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, and Anuj, let's not forget this is also happening a day after several unions from Haryana had already said that they don't have any issues with the farm laws and they don't agree with the Bharat Bandh call. Several farmer leaders have said that this is really the opposition's call. This is not for us or not by us. So there is that divide that is being witnessed. And as you rightly said, the impact of the Bharat Bandh was very minimal today. Now, most of the country, of course, wants farmers to be happy. They are saying, several of the traders are also saying that we are with the farmers, but Bharat Bandh is not the right way to move forward. Remember, even before the Bharat Bandh was observed today, a rail Roko Andolan across the country was already announced by some factions of the farmers' unions. So is there some rethought amidst the farmers and the leaders about how to take forward this agitation?
Well, if we talk about the current situation and if we talk about the after effect of Bharat Bandh, then this is very much clear out and open today that this was with a very minimal impact. So this is something which could be clearly seen that yes, the division is there within the factions of the farmers, within the leadership also. And on the other hand, we also have to keep in mind how this agitation has been hijacked by the political parties. Whereas the section of the farmers is making it very much clear that this is the agitation of the farmers, but this is not a political movement. Rather, this is not an agitation of a political party or of the opposition parties. So that is something which is making differences among the different faction of the farmers. So this exactly could be very, very important for the tomorrow's meeting also, and the meeting which is scheduled at 7 p.m. because we are continuously seeing the different views, the different angles of the farmers which is coming in. On one hand, when Rakesh Tikait was talking to us, was making it very much clear that no, this is not the protest of the political parties. Right. Did they slapped here in the night? No, they were visiting us, they were talking to us, but this is not going to be the political movement. So this is the farmer protest, but the views are different. This is very much out in open. Yes, Shivani.
Yes. Maybe there is a realization that the farmers also have to find some middle ground. Certainly, the meeting with Home Minister is extremely crucial, even as talks have been going on with the Agriculture Minister. We'll continue to track the latest on that. Anuj, thanks a lot for joining us.